Health officials are bracing for another wave of swine flu. The first influenza pandemic in 41 years is expected to return to the northern hemisphere in the coming weeks.
KXLY4's Erik Loney spoke to health officials about what to do and what their plans are if cases of H1N1 spike again. Good morning, Erik.
Good morning. The first thing they said, it's really difficult, if not impossible, to predict what kind of influenza season they're going to have this upcoming year because it changes so dramatically, but they're working on a plan in case the worst happens. The H1N1 virus didn't go away over the summer. It was still here. It shut down a camp in North Idaho and has killed more than 400 people nationwide, including one person here in Spokane County. Regional health officials are working on an action plan. They meet with the school districts this week to work on it. An outbreak could lead to major disruptions in schools, daycares, businesses, and hospitals. Health officials predict there could be a vaccine for H1N1, but don't know when it will arrive in our area. Now, locally, they will focus on the message that if you're sick, do not go to work or send your kids to school.
Part of our planning is related to communicating with the businesses within Spokane as well. Wanted to make sure that they have their plans for illness, so people can take leave if they're really sick instead of having people come to work and spread the illness there.
Now, they'll also focus their message on telling people or reminding people to wash their hands, and if they have to cough into their sleeve or a tissue. It also appears that to get a vaccine, it'll take 2 shots for H1N1, and also if you want a flu vaccine, that's a 3rd shot. Reporting live, Erik Loney, KXLY4 HD News.
Erik, quick question. Spokane Public Schools, the largest school district in our area, do they have an action plan in place, or are they just going to do it sort of on a wait-and-see basis?
Well, they're working on it, and they're meeting with the health district this week. They dealt with a little bit last year, but they'll follow the recommendations of the health district, and again, they're getting together to kind of come up with a solid plan and have that ready before school starts.